Okay, so it's time we start rebuilding the Calibra. Here's my old bumper, which I still have, luckily, so I got that. It's not in the greatest shape, as you can see. It's got some paint crackage here, that's why I replaced it, and one of these is also broken off, but we can replace that, re-glue it on, whatever. Generally it would need a paint job, but I think we're just gonna put it on. But then I have something else for this bumper. As you can see, this is a Xander original plastic front lip for a Calibra. These are getting pretty damn rare. Got this one, it's uncracked, it's pretty good actually. I've had this for a long while. I paid 10 bucks for this lip and the rear lip, which I also have. And so I was thinking, if we're already doing everything, maybe we should put it on. So I don't even know how it would look, because I've never even tried it yet. So we're gonna do a little test fit right now and see how it looks. It looks pretty cool, to be honest, but as you can see, there's one big problem with putting it on. It's red. So I don't know, you tell me. Do you like this? Should I put it on? Because I would have to paint it. There's a lot of work in that, as you may know. And I also have to do the homologations, because otherwise this is not street legal here. So I think first we're just gonna put on the white bumper, drive it like that. And then meanwhile maybe work on this and then put it on. So tell me what you think. I also have the rear lip, which I would be putting on, and I'd probably need to get my hands on some side skirts too. But this thing would be low. You can see the original bumper comes to here, and then there's that much more. Here we also have two original headlights, because Mother Angel Eyes. Also got all these mounts broken. This one has some mounts broken, but this one is in pretty good condition. The big problem with these OEM ones is, as you can see, the chrome inside starts coming off. So, as you know, if you know Calibras, these are terrible in the night. They barely shine anything, but it's better than nothing. And once again, street legal. Look
Hello.
what showed up at my house. Oh damn. Yes, it's nighttime, so we're not gonna do anything tonight. But tomorrow, ooh. First things first, I gotta straighten this out. Okay, so I fitted the new fender. It's not the same color, but it's in pretty good shape, no dents. It had some rust on the bottom like every Calibra. And yeah, lined it up pretty good for what it is. Mounted it at the back at the bottom. Now I just need to mount it here. I bent this back, but now there's a bit of a gap for this, so I think we're gonna need to smash this part a little more out, and then we're ready. So I got this fender for 14 euros from a junkyard in Litva. So that's pretty awesome, because people want 100 bucks for rusty ones around here, so screw those guys. Okay, I guess it's time for more hammering. With the good old hammer and some wood, you got it pretty much where it needs to be. Okay, the bumper is back on. I put the lip on just to see how it looks, and goddamn, it looks good. We need to put this lip on. First, I'm just gonna run it with no lip because I gotta get through MOT, but I think afterwards we're gonna get this painted, put it on, get this on the road. Even the fender doesn't look that bad. Damn, she low. I gotta bolt up everything. Gotta also put the crash bar foam on. Gotta fix the mountings of the light. And then I think it's pretty good. Then we got some servicing to do on it. I got a big oil leak somewhere, I guess, and power steering makes noises, so also needs a quick service, so let's get it done. I also fixed all the mounts on this light because they're all broken. I don't have another light, so made a new bracket here, made a new bracket here. Perfect. Guess once we bolt this up, then we gotta do some engine stuff because this is pretty oily and some things need to be done. Bumper's on. Now we're doing the valve cover gasket, which any Opel guys know. It's cork. This is like a 2-3 year old one and it's junk. Comes up. A brand new one, this costs like €2, so just replace them every year or something, I don't know. Should we paint this? Like, should we polish it? Should we maybe paint it white? Should we paint it red, of course, little Ferrari? Okay. Or do we just not paint anything here at all and just make the outside nice?
Hey, it's autolock. What the fuck?
I think this is the wrong box.
Okay.
I think I took your paint box. But I also have the autolock box, so it's okay.
Fuck you.
I may have accidentally stolen his spray paint. What can we do? Here we also have a bunch of other parts that we're gonna install. That's later. But the valve cover gasket is done. Just a reminder, you have to tighten these like every week for like a month because they squeeze so much and then they're good, I guess. Yeah. And basically every time I would drive this in the rain or in the cold, it would fog up like crazy, so we figured out a lot of the little things in the dash weren't opening for the ventilation, so we kind of fixed that, so we just made it so it blows air on the windscreen, which is what you want, so you can actually drive. There may be a water leak somewhere, we still have to find that. Power steering is leaking here, it makes a crazy noise, as you may have heard in the clips where I was moving the car. It's pretty bad. And there may be some water leak in the back we gotta figure out. I got a new expansion tank, we're gonna replace that. And I'm thinking maybe when the water is out, I might maybe just buy another thermostat, because I have never changed it in this car.
I fucked up everything.
Oops. What the fuck? God damn it. Of course, new gasket on the plug. I've never replaced this on this car, because I've never had them. And then, oh, we got the good oil. ELF 10W40. 5 liters, 14 bucks, perfect. And then, Autodoc oil filter, €2. And she's ready to go.
We have successfully done everything. Any final words?
Tomorrow I gotta get hose clamps. Possibly gonna buy a thermostat. Oh yeah, hopefully we fix the power steering. Add some coolant. One day maybe I will try to do the MOT with this car. Hopefully it passes. Should be okay. And then I gotta try to find some tires and a new battery so we can actually drive it. We can work on some wheels, paint this, and so on. We have stickers, but they're sold out right now. Air Trash Life stickers are sold out, so thanks for buying them all. Hopefully new ones soon. There's one more Calibra sticker if you want a Calibra sticker, so maybe buy that. And hopefully some new stickers soon, so check out the website, it's like down there in the description. Okay. So click it and like, comment, subscribe and all that shit that you don't even care about probably. So yeah. Next
Don't destroy this.
Next video, Calibra time.
Okay.
Bye. This is over. Bye. Bye.
Where do you want to go?